Hey guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you love all things beauty, I'm talking hair, makeup, and skincare, then come on and join the Cam fam by hitting that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Okay darlings, so for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the November Lookfantastic beauty box. So this month the box is this like really cute like royal blue navy color. Fun fact, in my apartment, my like accent color is like this exact color. So when this came in, my husband stole this box from me and started putting it like around the house, using it as a decor piece. And I was like, I need that. I need a film with that. So if you don't know what to do with the box, you can always use it as a decor piece apparently. Yeah, you know you're guilty, okay? All right, so let's unbox this baby together. So the first thing is, this is new, this is different. There's no pamphlets and there's just a QR code here. So I guess they want to like save on paper and everything, go green and like have everything be digital, which is really cool, except for the fact that like I'm a boomer. So let's try to figure this out together right now. So with QR codes, I'm pretty sure you need to like pull up your phone's camera to do this, right? And then it just like, see, and now it's telling me to like go to this website on my phone's camera. So let's hope this works. Ah, okay, so I have the digital copy on my phone right now. That wasn't too bad. So it looks like the theme for November is all the colors and all of the lights. Oh, that's so funny. The page is like flip. That's really cute. Okay. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, so right at the top, we have a moisturizing foot mask. This is from, I think the brand is Les Mini Macaroon. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. I've never actually heard of them before. And so it looks like it's got lavender oil in it, witch hazel extract. I have never used a foot mask, you guys. I actually have like hyperhidrosis, so I have really bad sweaty feet all the time. So I am not very likely to use this. I'm gonna send this to my mom because she's gonna love this. She has like the cracked heels and everything. So if you have this, you're gonna like this. For me personally, like this is not something that I would use. My feet are like wet right now, so that's not gonna work for me. I know this is like so embarrassing, but I'm gonna send this to my mom as a Christmas present. But if you're like my mom where you have like the cracked heels and calluses and everything, then I do know that foot masks are really, really good for that. I've actually bought her foot masks before to use. It was like, I think like the baby foot or something like that. So it looks like it's like a sock and you put your foot inside. I don't know why. I am losing it with this right now, but okay. I have like the giggles right now. And it looks like you put your... Okay, maybe it's because I overshared with you guys. Okay, composure. I'm gonna need a sec, okay? Stop looking at me. Right, okay. So it looks like you get 2 socks and you put your feet in for like 10-15 minutes and they're like infused with the serum that's gonna really like moisturize your feet if you have like dryness issues. And I do see that this is made in Korea, so Korean skincare is really good. They make really effective products. So I'm sure this is great. I'm not gonna be finding out though. I'm gonna ask my mom how these went, but these do look like a really cute way to treat your feet. Okay, woo, I didn't know I would have that kind of reaction to a foot mask. All right, let's see what's next. Okay, alrighty. Ooh, okay, this I'm excited about. So this is the Molten Brown Relaxing Yangyang Bath and Shower Gel. So this is a really like luxury brand, so I'm super excited about this. Their products normally are really expensive. And this is like a shower gel that's scented with Yangyang, I think that's how you say that, and sweet vanilla. It looks like it also has honeysuckle flower extract and jasmine. So that's really interesting. Let me like smell this and tell you guys what my first impression is. It's really nice and florally. So yeah, it's definitely super florally. It's got like a hint of like a powdery smell to it too. Super luxe smelling. I'm really excited to use this because normally in the shower, like I just use soap. So this is definitely like a lot more luxurious of an experience than just using soap. So that's really cool because I don't like normally go and buy shower gels for myself. Okay, next up we have this Comfort Zone Re-Night Cream. So it says it's a nourishing vitamin cream. It looks like this would be part of like your nighttime skincare routine. So it says it's a soothing and hydrating cream that's gonna like leave your skin replenished with moisture and plump when you wake up. It's got goji berry oil and hydrolyzed tomato extract. I also see vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, macadamia oil in the ingredients. So it's got a lot of antioxidants. So this is gonna be really good for like all skin types as just like a really nice hydrating night cream. So this next product is the Pry Ageless Throat and Decolletage Cream. Ooh, I feel like we're getting like all sorts of like French words going on in here. So I feel like I've heard of this brand and I think they make really, really high-end skincare products, and that's why this is only like 0.35 fluid ounces. I'm a little young to be using like neck creams and stuff like that, but I have started using them recently because I feel like I started seeing fine lines on my throat and I'm in my early 30s. So I don't know when they're supposed to show up, but I kind of feel like they're there already. So I've slowly started incorporating like taking care of my neck and everything in my skincare routine. And normally I just use my face products on it, but I do feel like sometimes neck creams have like a slightly different texture. So this has shea butter, grapeseed oil, and mulberry extract. And it's supposed to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on your neck. So I'm gonna see about that. I'm gonna put this to the test and see if it's actually worth it to have like a separate neck cream. So they say to just apply this in the morning and at night in like nice upward motions on your décolletage. So I can't wait to try that. And what I think I'm gonna do is like do little updates in the description box on what my thoughts were about some of these products that I try and just let you guys know how I feel like they perform. Okay, next up is this Diego Della Palma High Precision, Long Lasting, Water Resistant Brow Pencil. So I thought this was an eyeliner at first. It looks like it's a brow pencil. It's a little thick, I feel like, to be a brow pencil. Honestly, like I really thought this was an eyeliner, and I feel like this wouldn't really make like super like fine, precise brow strokes. This is also like the smallest little eyeliner that I've ever seen. Like I really feel like they should have just included like a big full-size liner because this is tiny. Okay, so let's see what it says about it. Easily enhance your arches with the tool's extra fine tip that gives you both precision and natural coverage when filling, defining, and shaping. So again, like I haven't used a pencil like this for my brows. Normally I use like really extra fine like retractable pencils. So I feel like this would be a pain to like keep sharpened perfectly, and I just can't see this really being precise. So I don't know, I kind of feel like the product's a little weird to me, and it's such a small size. Like recently I feel like the products in this box started getting better with the sizes in terms of like just being more of like a deluxe size rather than like really mini sizes. And I mean, I could see someone just sharpening this only like a couple of times. So it's almost like too small to use. Again, I think I said this like a couple videos ago when unboxing the Lookfantastic box. I love subscription boxes because they let me try products that I normally wouldn't buy for myself. But I do feel like we've gotten spoiled in recent years where a lot of boxes do include like full-size items. So again, I really would love to see like larger sizes rather than like really tiny sample sizes, because a lot of the times like you can't really tell like whether you like the product or not, and you also want to get like that bang for your buck. So I would just really love to see these in larger sizes. So the next product is this Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. So something that I actually go through like bottles and bottles and bottles of are BHA exfoliants. I basically use a BHA exfoliant on my skin every single day, and I really feel like it helps keep blackheads away and shrink your pores and everything. So I use a BHA exfoliant basically like on the daily. So I really can't wait to try this out and see how it compares to all the other ones that I've been using. And so if you don't know, BHAs are like another way to say salicylic acid basically. So this has salicylic acid in it, willow bark, which is a good like mattifying, like acne clearing ingredient, and tiger grass, which is really good for like anti-redness. So this sounds like a really good combination. And so it's gonna remove dead skin, fight blackheads, reduce blemishes, target enlarged pores. Like I'm telling you, BHAs are like a miracle product. That's why I literally use them every single day. So I really like the sound of like the ingredients in this. So you would just use this kind of like a toner and put it on a cotton pad. It's gonna be a liquid, and just swipe it over like where you feel like you have blackheads, pores, oil, all that stuff. So I'm super stoked to try this. So overall, I feel like there were quite a few winners in this month's box, especially this BHA toner and that Pry cream and the Molten Brown. So I'm really excited about quite a few of these products. And if you guys did want to pick up the Lookfantastic beauty box, then I do have a code for you guys. It's code CAM, and you can also use the link in the description box, and that's going to get you your first month's box for just $10 with a 12-month subscription. So if you were interested, then you know that I really appreciate it when you guys use my codes. Alright lovelies, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button down below and leave me a comment and let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me, because I plan on uploading a slew of videos in December. I'm gonna go like crazy in December, so let me know what you want to see and I'll definitely make sure to include it. And if you don't know what to watch next, then here's 2 more videos that you might like. And click on my face to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss all the videos that are coming your way in December. Thank you so much for watching, my loves, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.